Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thanks in advance for liking our video and subscribing. Why does my car pull to one side when braking? The surprising causes explained. Ever notice your car pulling to the left or right when you brake? It's not just an annoyance, it can be a sign of a serious issue that needs attention. This video will help you understand why this happens and what you can do to fix it. Whether it's a problem with your brakes, tires, or alignment, we've got you covered. Keep reading to learn how to keep your car driving straight, safe, and sound. Common reasons for car pulling to left or right when braking. Driving your car can be a smooth and comfortable experience until you start noticing that your car tends to pull to the left or right when you hit the brakes. This can be a frustrating issue that not only affects your driving experience but also poses a safety concern. Understanding the common reasons behind why your car pulls to one side when braking is crucial to addressing the issue effectively. Uneven brake pad wear. One of the primary culprits behind your car pulling to the left or right when you brake is uneven brake pad wear. Over time, the brake pads on your vehicle can wear down unevenly due to various factors such as driving habits, road conditions, and maintenance practices. When one brake pad wears down faster than the others, it can cause an imbalance in braking force, leading to the car pulling to one side when you apply the brakes. Ensuring regular inspection and maintenance of your brake pads can help prevent this issue. Misaligned braking system. Another common reason for your car's tendency to pull to a specific direction when braking is a misaligned braking system. A misalignment in the braking system can occur due to factors like worn-out brake components, improper installation, or damage from road hazards. When the braking system is not properly aligned, it can cause uneven braking pressure on the wheels, resulting in the car veering off to one side when you brake. Addressing any misalignment in the braking system through professional inspection and realignment is essential to rectifying this issue. Tire issues. Tire problems can also contribute to your car pulling to the left or right when braking. Uneven tire pressure or worn-out treads can cause irregular traction between the tires and the road surface, leading to steering drift during braking. Additionally, issues like tire feathering, where the edges of the treads wear down unevenly, can exacerbate the pulling motion. Regularly checking and maintaining proper tire pressure, tread depth, and overall tire condition can help mitigate this issue and ensure a smoother braking experience. Driving with a car that pulls to one side when braking can be not only annoying but also unsafe. By understanding and addressing common causes like uneven brake pad wear, misaligned braking systems, and tire issues, you can maintain a balanced driving experience and ensure optimal safety on the road. Regular maintenance checks and prompt repairs are key to keeping your vehicle in top condition and minimizing the risk of pulling to the left or right when braking. Symptoms of car pulling while braking. When your car exhibits unusual behavior while braking, it can be a clear indicator of underlying issues within the braking system. Two common symptoms to watch out for are an off-center steering wheel and the vehicle drifting to one side during braking. Steering wheel off-center. An off-center steering wheel when you apply the brakes is often a sign of a potential problem with your car's braking system. This can occur due to issues such as uneven brake pad wear, misaligned wheels, or problems with the brake calipers. When you notice your steering wheel pulling to one side or vibrating when you brake, it's essential to have your braking system inspected by a professional mechanic to ensure safe driving conditions. Vehicle drifting. Another symptom of a braking issue is when your vehicle pulls to one side when you brake. This can be a result of various factors such as uneven brake force distribution, worn-out suspension components, or misaligned wheels. Vehicle drifting can not only be a safety concern but also indicate worn brake pads or a potential hydraulic issue within the braking system. Addressing this problem promptly can prevent further damage and ensure optimal braking performance. Being aware of these symptoms and addressing them promptly can help maintain the safety and efficiency of your vehicle's braking system. If you notice any of these signs while driving, it's crucial to seek professional assistance to diagnose and resolve the underlying issues, ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. Diagnosing and fixing the issue. When your car pulls to the left or right when braking, it can be a concerning issue that affects both your driving experience and safety. Understanding how to diagnose and fix this problem is crucial to ensure the proper function of your vehicle. Professional inspection. Seeking a professional inspection is essential to accurately pinpoint the cause of your car pulling to one side when braking. A skilled mechanic can conduct a thorough examination of your vehicle's braking system, tires, and alignment to identify any underlying issues that may be contributing to the pulling effect. Their expertise and specialized tools can provide precise diagnostics that you may not be able to achieve on your own. Brake system adjustment. One common cause of a car pulling to the left or right when braking is an imbalance in the brake system. Adjusting the brake components, such as calipers, pads, or rotors, can help rectify this issue. By ensuring that the braking force is evenly distributed on both sides of the vehicle, you can mitigate the pulling effect and restore proper braking performance. Tire rotation and alignment. Improper tire wear or misaligned wheels can also lead to your car veering to one side when braking. Rotating your tires regularly and aligning your wheels can help prevent uneven tread patterns and ensure that your tires make proper contact with the road surface. This not only addresses the pulling problem but also promotes better handling, steering response, and overall tire longevity. By addressing these key areas through professional inspection, brake system adjustment, and tire rotation and alignment, you can effectively diagnose and fix the issue of your car pulling to the left or right when braking. Prioritizing timely maintenance and seeking expert assistance can help keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely on the road. Preventive measures to avoid car pulling. Regular brake maintenance. Ensuring regular brake maintenance is crucial in preventing issues like your car pulling to one side when braking. Brake pads and rotors wear out over time and can cause uneven braking, leading to pulling. Maintain your brakes by checking for wear regularly and replacing them as needed. Additionally, brake fluid should be inspected and changed per manufacturer recommendations to ensure optimal brake performance. Proper tire care. Proper tire care is essential for preventing your car from pulling to the left or right when braking. Uneven tire pressure or worn-out treads can cause imbalances that result in pulling. Regularly check your tire pressure and ensure it meets the manufacturer's recommendations. Rotate your tires regularly to ensure even wear and maintain proper alignment. Inspect your tires for any signs of damage and replace them as needed to prevent pulling issues while braking. By staying proactive with regular brake maintenance and proper tire care, you can significantly reduce the chances of your car pulling to one side when braking, ensuring a safer and smoother driving experience. A car pulling to the left or right when braking is more than an annoyance, it's a sign that something's wrong. It could be related to your brakes, tires, or suspension system. Ignoring the problem can lead to uneven tire wear or even a dangerous driving situation. If you notice your car pulling, get it checked out by a professional as soon as possible. Being proactive about these issues can help keep you safe on the road and save you money in the long run. Don't wait. Get your car inspected and fixed now. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.